In the last video, we have discussed like how the four layers work together. So now we will do with an example. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the presentation layer, that is the view layer, user interaction and the UI rendering uses PHTML, XML layouts, JavaScript, and the UI components. Example, displaying a product name in the PHTML file. So how it would be happening with these four layers. So this is the code for like block get product and product dot get name. Okay, so here the block get products fetches the product data from the service layer. Okay, so the service layer, the business logic layer, act as an intermediary between the presentation and the domain, uses service contracts, interfaces, and the repositories. Example, project repository interface. Magento provides a repository pattern to fetch the data. So this is that pattern you can use in the constructor to get the data. So, okay, and here you can create a function and it accepts the id and return the this product repository get by id and just add their pass their id. This method fetches the product using the product repository interface, ensuring modularity. Domain layer, model layer, handle business logic and the data processing, uses models, source models, and the collections. Like loading a product model. Instead of using repositories, you can fetch the data using the model directly. So here you can see we are using the catalog model product factory. Okay, and with the help of this, we are going to just load that by ID. Okay, next, we have a persistence layer, that is database layer, handles data storage and retrieval using Magento's ORM, uses EAV, entity attribute value, and the flat table structure. Querying the database. Okay, Magento uses models to interact with the database, right? So here we have the example. So here you can see that. So here you can see we have a resource model. Okay, so here we are doing the querying the database. So we have a function that is get collection. So here you can see that we are using the resource model product collection factory. Okay, product, fine. So here in the constructor using the dependency injection, we are going to use the collection factory with create, and we are selecting the attribute to select. Which attribute we want to select? I want to select every attribute, whatever it has, like star. Okay, select star from. Okay, and return the get items, whatever the items we have. So this fetches all the products from the database, which will learn each and everything in detail, but it's just overview of each and everything, right? Summary, Magento 2 layer interaction. User requests a product data, presentation layer, PHTML, and the UI components. Service layer fetches the product using the product repository interface. Domain layer processes business logic using the models and the resource models. Persistence layer retrieves the data from the database. This approach ensures scalability, security, and the performance in Magento 2. So whenever you do any kind of querying or whether you want to go with any kind of fetching the data or UI components, make sure you are making a module with respect of the Magento 2 architecture. Else it will give you, give you a very less like low speed time modularity and makes the project so clumsy. So make sure you have to follow each and every rule for developing any kind of extensions in Magento 2. Thank you so much for watching this video. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Have a great day.